Okay guys, up the plot very quickly with my thermometer, my temperature probe, showing 11 degrees to the bales. Let's get it in there. See what's going on here now, it's going up. Oh, look at that. See, it's taken a while, see that? This bale has been finished conditioning for a couple of weeks now. I'll tell you what, you can feel it's warm. Got some mushrooms growing as well, some fungi. What sort they are. What are we up to? 26. Might sit on here, keep myself warm. That's good news then. Time to start planting the spuds in these then, I reckon. Just while we're waiting for that to peak out, I'm going to have to get these moved pretty soon because they are sprouting wheat. Oh, this old leeks there as well. Right, let's see, I should do about, oh no. Wonder if we'll touch 30. 29.7, getting there, 29.8. A little bit more, 29.9. Yay, look at that, it's 18 degrees warmer than ambient. So that's good. Okay, happy with that, happy with that. I wait just to see how high it does get. Let's try another place, 30.3 there. Let's try this bale. Yeah, a bit colder this one, look. Weird. Ah, it's going up. Yeah, they're alright. They're ready to go then. Ready to start planting. Something to do next week. This one could be even warmer. Yep, and this one's over 30 as well. So there we are then. Time to start planting. Well, you're right guys, checked the bales yesterday and they were 19 degrees above ambient, so let's check them now. It's about 13. They're rocketing up. They actually feel warm to the touch as well, and it's not a sunny day today. I'll just let that warm up a bit. I'll go and get my potatoes. I'm not sure what's going to be best to put these in with. I can't find my weeder at the moment. So that's up to us, up to 28. That'll do. Right. Going to do these alphabetical. A, C. So that's a patchy. So if I go, I'll put 3 in each. I'm going to have to get my hands in there. And that can go down there. Oh god, that's warm in there. I wonder if that will work. Yep, that's halfway down. Keep going, Steve-o. There we are. Right then. 1 Apache. Oh, he's in there. That's better. They may look a bit close together, but in the buckets they're close together, aren't they? And that works. That's it. Long way down that one. Aye. That's better. Ooh, that's nice and warm in there. Felt cooler at the top, but it's warmer at the bottom. There we are. Right. Gotta say, this is a tough old bale, this one. There we are, through to the soft stuff. Well, there you are, guys. 4 lots of main crop in. Apache, Charlotte, Java, and another one, which I can't tell you what it is, because it's some leftover from you know what. So that's me for today. Those 2 bales there and that one there. No, those 2 bales, soft as you like. This one there's medium, this one was rock hard. And yet they're all warm inside, so they're all rotting down. So I think those 2 are re-bales, maybe. And the straw's cut my hand again. I'm really miffed that I can't find my proper dibber. I'll have to have a good hunt around. Right, that's me for now. Okay guys, a nice little drop of rain last night. So nice, I left my blooming gardening shoes outside and they're soaking wet. I slipped them on this morning and the foam insole was like bath sponges, soaking wet. Anyway, up here now, I've got rid of these 2 bales from last year. Scatter them around a bit. They're breaking down lovely. So some of it is just behind me, over here. So amongst that horseradish I planted down there. And the rest, a little bit here. Don't want to disturb these garlics. And the rest down here. Quite a lot really. And I chucked some old carrot buckets on top there. There's a bit like a mushroom thing really, it's a casing, you know. Oh dear. This lot here has dried out a little bit. Still wet underneath, but the surface has dried out. Got to clear this bit here. I just chucked the last of the purple sprouting on there. I can't have any more of that. It's just taking up too much room now. It's huge. Thing is with this, the wildlife are loving it. I've only found a couple of toads in there. So I may just leave that. We'll see, we'll see. This here is going to be the bean bed again. So I'm going to chuck a bit of manure on top of that. Working in a little bit maybe, we'll see. Oh look, just noticed loads of strigs on the black currants. Cool, and the blue, red currants. Oh yeah. And even the loganberry over there next to the rhubarb is doing okay. Plum's got loads of flowers on it. It's had flowers every year, but there's not many fruits. We'll have to wait and see, won't we? Just hope there's no cold spell. What else have I done today? Not a lot really. Oh, I have, hang on. Got some wood chip down there. Just to define the straw bales a bit more. And now I'm down to the bottom plot, frog and toad plot. Going to condition it. Can't remember what day it is now. I've lost track of it, but it's a fertiliser day today. But we've got some rain left to come today, so that'll do some of it for me. Catch you in a bit.